under 1.5 million, completely renovated, perfect schools. Don't miss this one. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. So today we're in North Redmond, close to English Hill, and we're only a short walk to Sunrise Elementary, one of the top-rated schools in this area. And this community has a lot of homes that was built around 1980s, two-story classic American homes. It has good yard, great privacy, and we are actually in the cul-de-sac of this community, so one of the quietest spots in this area. And the assigned schools of this home actually is Sunrise Elementary, Woodinville High, so the test score is 10 out of 10, which is amazing. And the home was built in 1985. It has over 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.25 bathrooms, and it was completely renovated. Let's go and check it out. Coming through the front door on the right-hand side, this is the living room. So it actually has a big Victoria window in the center of the room, so you can sit here and enjoy the view of the community. And here is their formal dining area. I think you can easily fit in like a round table or a rectangular table. You can fit in like 8 to 12 seats, no problem. And again, Victoria window, and you can enjoy the privacy of this backyard. Really beautiful view from this window. And now we're in the kitchen. So the kitchen has all the white cabinets and then quartz countertop. All the appliances are Bosch. So the fridge and the double oven and the dishwasher. Very new, move-in ready condition. And here is a very cute breakfast area. Of course, you can make it like a coffee area, or your kids can do their homework here. I think this is one of my favorite spots in this house. And the family room is facing the kitchens. So you can have your family hanging out here. You can put your TV on top of the fireplace. It could be a great media room as well. And the backyard is actually, it has one of the most private backyards in this community because it sits in the cul-de-sac, and the backyard is fully fenced. So if you have a pet, they can run free here, very safe. And if you are into gardening, great news, they have all the flower beds already sitting there. So it's a great setting for outdoor entertainment. So now we're on the second floor. Actually, they have this beautiful red oak hardwood all the way from the first floor to the stairs and then to the hallway of the second floor, which I really like. They also just finished it. It's beautiful. So on the top floor, we have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Both bathrooms were updated as well. And before I show you the primary, I want to show you a kind of an office. So this room is very unique. The first time I came to this home, this is the room that I actually remembered because it actually has a vaulted ceiling here and huge window in the center. And I really like the color being black and white, a good contrast. So I think it's a great space for an office, but of course, if you need it, it can be repainted and it becomes a really nice bedroom as well. And now I want to show you the primary bedroom. So I really like the kind of the layout of this bedroom because you open the door, you won't see the inside, the main living area of this bedroom. There is a lot of privacy here because, people don't want to show the guest their bedroom, that easily. So this is a great settings, a good space. You can put in like a king size bed in the center, and then you can still put, drawers or chairs on the opposite side. And now I want to show you the primary bathroom. And this is such a bright room. It is definitely the brightest room in this house because it has a huge skylight. So when the seller actually renovated this room, they put in all the light materials, so white tiles and then white cabinet, countertop, and then they also renovated this shower room and put in this glass sliding door, which I really appreciate. So it's very convenient and very luxurious. After looking at this home, my favorite part of the home is the privacy. So it sits in the cul-de-sac, great flat private backyard, all fenced off. And the home itself is move-in ready condition, 4 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, great layout. So we just put this home on the market at 1.35 million. Great value in Redmond. So if you're interested in the community or the home, we have open houses at Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Come and take a look. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.